The touch doorbell circuit consists of a 2N2222 transistor, a 1000 kilo-ohm resistor, a buzzer and some jumper wires. The emitter of the transistor is connected to ground. The collector of the transistor is connected to the negative pin of the LED and the negative pin of the buzzer. The positive pin of the buzzer is connected to the 9-volt power supply. The positive pin of the LED is connected to the 1 kilo-ohm resistor, which is connected to the 9-volt power supply. The doorbell didn't work when the wires were touched with a dry finger. It only worked when the finger was slightly damp.